Hello everyone, welcome to the weekend market update. Today 25th October, Nifty ends this week at 25,795 and Banknifty at 57,699. Let us start this week analysis with our medium term outlook on Nifty and Banknifty. This is the analysis I shared a week before in X, and there is no change in our long term view. This long term view has been shared in 2024 itself, and the price just following the long-term view. And we also discussed our long-term view a couple of weeks before, maybe a month before, in our YouTube channel. And yes, there is no change in view, and we expect minimum 28,000. Okay, minimum 28,000, and I basically expect between 30,000 to 33,000 in Nifty. Okay, so no change in view, and this is what I'm expecting in the medium-term outlook. Not even long term. Long term, we have a much more potential, but in medium term, this is the level we are expecting. And the important question is, are we already started wave 3? That means the price is started its journey to 28,000, 33K, or still in X wave. That means the current price action has already started its journey to our medium term outlook of 28,000, 30K, or still one more leg down. Okay, to 23 or 24, and then the price may start to 28,000 to 30K. This is the question. So if it is wave 3, the price already started its journey, and if it is still in X or minor 5, we have one more leg down, and the price may start its journey to 30K. So this is the view, and this doubt is only because of Nifty IT. I have shared multiple times in our channel. So Nifty IT still not convincingly impulsive. Still now, the price action in Nifty IT is not convincingly impulsive. It needs to change to impulsive, or else Nifty can be in X wave or minor 5. Okay, so Nifty IT needs to change its price action to impulsive, like extending waves. Okay, so in the case, yes, Nifty has already started its 3. So in one of our video, we discussed that X wave also can go to 26,000 plus, and we discussed this possibility a couple of weeks before, and because of the short-term support in the Nifty IT, the movement in Nifty IT can make the Nifty to 26,000 plus, even if it is X wave. I will share this less than 1 minute video to understand this, and just check that video and we'll discuss later. IT is currently at support, and we can see some pullback in coming days, like this, directly from here or like this. So this can be the resistance if the price comes higher. Okay, 37.50, maybe around these two zones, 37.50 to, I remove all these lines now. So 37.50 to 38,000 can be the resistance if the price comes higher. Okay, we don't know whether the price is rejecting right from here. Okay, right from here, or even one more high to this level, 40,000, and rejecting from here. These options are open now, and if the price moves to 40,000, Nifty, this X can even move to 26,000. Right, as you just heard, this is what we discussed. The X wave can also go to 26,000. Okay, 26,000 plus, and because of the reason that Nifty IT can move higher. So the idea I had was, if the Nifty IT moves to 37 to 38,000 or 40, okay, primarily expecting this is the zone. So during this time, I expect Nifty to reach 26,000. That's why I shared a resistance here, but the resistance breakout and the price started to move higher. Okay, so this is the price action so far happened, and if you watch Nifty IT, still the same view. It needs to change its price action to impulsive, or else it can make the Nifty IT move like this, worst case 40. So the price needs to cross all these zone, then only we can turn impulsive in Nifty IT. Okay, so until that, we need to think maybe in X or maybe in minor 5, maybe the first leg, all these options will open in Nifty. So this is the background view for our markets in the medium term. So we need to see how the price reacts in coming days, and the most important levels in Nifty The range between 26,150 to 26,400 decides whether we are in wave 3 or X or even in minor 5. Okay, I mean the first impulse completing area. So this zone is very important to understand the medium term outlook in the markets. See, this is the level I marked, even precisely 26,175. Okay, here I changed as 26,150 to 26,400, but more precisely 26,175 is that zone. So the price has already reached our first set of resistance, 2600, and I share 26,150. So if the price gets support here, okay, 25,675 to 25,550, then the price can approach 26,175 to 26,490. Okay, the X will become important only if the price rejects in this zone itself, 26,175. Okay, if the price crosses this zone, lesser probability for X, and it can become wave 3 or even a minor 5 to complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a decline and move higher. Okay, so we will discuss later when the price reacts here, but currently what we can expect is, if the price takes support in 25,675 to 25,550, we can expect another high, and another high can reach 26,175, the most important level, and 26,400 to 500. So this zone is very important. Okay, and the first set of resistance already faced, so this is applicable only if the price takes support here. Okay, currently at support we need to see, and if the price directly coming below this point, okay, 26,400, coming below this 25,400, we need to be think about X. Okay, so let us see how the price reacts in coming days. So currently in shorter term, this is the support zone, and crossing above this high, we can expect 26,175 to 26,400, 500 zone in Nifty. And in Bank Nifty, see, this is the level I marked before, 58,600 to 59,650. This zone is the important resistance, and if you watch, this is the price rejection at the first level. Okay, same like Nifty, the price has reached the first level of resistance, and if the price takes support in the zone of 57,400 to 56,900, okay, in this zone we can expect another high to 59,270 to 59,650. So this is the view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. At both are at short term support. If the support works, we can see another high, and we need to be careful if the price declines to 25,400, and here we have more space like 55,850. So let us see if the price is making another high or not, like this. Okay, this is the important level to decide the trend. Okay, as I just shared here, this zone may confirm the next trend or even medium term outlook. But we need to give importance to Nifty IT also. Okay, Nifty IT needs to change its impulsive structure, or else it will drag the markets. I will share a few charts, okay, to explain the importance and significance of Elliott waves. See, this is Rain Industries, and see, this Rain Industries I shared in 2024, okay, on June. The price is getting support at important level of 130. If this level not supports, there is a possibility of reaching 110 or little below it. Okay, and I'll tell you the reason also. I think it's an extended wave 5 in that impulse here. That's the reason the price is taking deeper correction. See, understanding here is, see, now the price still in 129 zone and not crosses this point. And by seeing this price action, what we can understand here is the price will most probably will have a deeper decline, okay, because of this extended wave 5. So what we can expect minimum in the deeper decline, this 117 or even to red point of 110. That's why I shared reaching 110 or little below it. So what is the significance? When you see like this, you will not rush to buy here. Okay, no return here. See, no return. And this I shared a year before. Okay, and also I shared, you can see if the price moves above 185 to 190 is the first signal of bullish, and it can be confirmed only about 220. So what happened at 190? This I shared on June. Okay, see, the first rejection is 190. Okay, and even the price moved slightly higher, 195, and see the rejection. Okay, there is no first signal of bullish also, right? And there is no confirmation. This is the key importance of Elliott waves. Where you want to wait, where you want to buy, or where you should not buy. I have shared the examples of gold and silver, right? That is, the price will reject now, so no buying here. The price will at least give a pause or pullback. We know where you need to buy, or at least we should know the place we should not buy. Okay, so these are the examples, and if you want to learn what is the extended wave phase and what we can expect a deeper correction, all these can be learned in my course, and I will show a few examples. See, these examples are only I took from the 4 commodities we are discussing every week. Okay, I have thousands of charts, and 400 charts has been used in the course to understand these concepts, and I am regularly showing the precise and exact turnings. Okay, no one can get the precise and the exact turnings, but what we can do is, out of 10 times, are we getting 6 to 7 times? Okay, that is what important. See, the crude oil, this is the level we expected the price to reach, and not only that, this is the area the price can turn. I not change any levels, 57.07, 56.21. Okay, see this here, recorded on 11/10. This is crude oil. Natural gas, if the price rejects in red line, it can reach 3.44. What happened next? Exact rejection in red point. Price reached exactly the expected price point. The analysis not completed. Wait. Now we again discuss that this blue line as the stop loss, and the price needs to reverse. Okay, 3.3408 is the stop loss point, and the price needs to reverse. What happened? 3.34 is the stop loss point, and see the price action. See the return you can get from these trades, and also the risk reward. That is what very important in Elliott waves. The risk reward. Okay, the risk should be lower and the reward should be higher. That can be precisely, you can get it from Elliott waves. Okay, and gold and silver, the price needs to rejected. Silver, the price needs to reject. Extended wave threes. Okay, most people buy here, and yes, slightly $1 or $2. We expected 51.15. The fast rise, and what happened? Decline, right? So not only equities, indices, commodities, you can use in cryptos also, Bitcoin, and this is the expanded flat. I have explained in previous videos how we can avoid the trap. Okay, if it is trap, the price will not cross this zone and reject to this point. What happened? All this can be done with the help of Elliott waves, and these are the recent examples. Okay, very recent examples. And if you are a regular follower of my YouTube, and if you learn from my course, you can understand what is the potential of Elliott waves. So you can learn the purest form of Elliott wave from my course, which is 100% practical, in the sense you can take trades, investments, shorter term trades, and if you already learn from others and still facing issues, you can register my course. And if you are first time learning Elliott wave, you can register my course. You can learn the most practical way of trading the Elliott waves, and the course has been upgraded, like the best get even better. The course has been updated with 6 live sessions in a year, and lifelong email support. If you wish to learn the Elliott waves from Magic Fibs, this is the right time, and I give all details in the description. Learn the Elliott waves in its purest form, and not just theory. You can understand the market and you will become independent. You don't want to rely on anyone, right? So I give details in the description. Yes, now let us move on to the commodity section. See, crude oil, as we just saw, this is the support we expected, and I think the price can still move higher, maybe right from here or after a pullback the price can move higher. Okay, so let us see how the price bounces and moves higher. If it is X, the price should move more highs. Okay, not only this, I'm talking about the extended waves on higher side. Okay, crossing this high 125 plus. Okay, in long term, and if the case of the Z ends here, okay, and further the price minimum needs to cross above 78. Okay, this is long term view. If the price crosses 78, yes, there will be a significant price rise in the crude oil. And for coming days, let us check in the hourly chart. And yes, okay, it can be some pause here, and after a pullback the price can move higher again. Okay, yes, as we just expected, the price can have a dip and the price can move higher. So this is the expectation in crude oil now. And in natural gas, this is a significant learning we should understand from the natural gas. See, this is called the B. Okay, this is the trap, and we clearly marked this line. Okay, approximately this line, and we expected the price to reach 3.77, sorry, 2.77, and it has been reached. And when this price action comes here, we even expected this pattern. Okay, if you are regular a viewer of my channel, you can understand we even expected this pattern, and we clearly explained that bullish on natural gas, and the price needs to minimum go to 4.17, this level. Okay, so now you can see how the price moving and where we are in, right? And even here also we expected the price to move higher. Here rejection. So everything we did clearly in the natural gas. And now see, the price already reaches the important resistance now. Maybe if the price crosses this previous high, it can reach 4.17 to 4.22. Okay, so this is the important resistance, and crossing this previous high of 4.22 only, we can expect more highs in natural gas, or else we can expect a decent pullback in the natural gas. Okay, so in shorter term, yes, this is the support 3.82 to 3.72. Okay, 7273 is the important support, or some time consuming work if the price declines. And one more high can come, and if the high rejects here, we can have a decent pullback in the natural gas. So gold and silver, again, see, this is what we discussed. Expect a pullback 4282, slightly went higher, and previous videos we discussed that I'm not saying about levels because it is extended waves. Okay, people may short, that's why I not shared the levels, but our view was the price should pause its uptrend. Okay, exactly, the uptrend stop, and we can expect a support here, maybe right from here, or a 3970 to 3842. We can expect another high, but coming below this point, then only we need to rethink about our count. But this is what the count, and price is just following our expectations. In silver also, yes, we expected 51.15, another $2 rise. Okay, $2 to $3 rise, but that's why I shared extended waves, but the price needs to stop, and this is the area, and the price needs to cool off. So expected 47, and it has been done. So minimum retracement has been done, and the price can rise from here, or maybe a sideways if the price comes down 45.7, and from here the price can make another high. Okay, but all are extended wave threes. Silver has much potential in long term than the gold. In gold, in long term, we can expect a deeper decline. After this 5, we can expect a deeper decline. Okay, let us see. Okay, this is the update for gold and silver. And Bitcoin, see, no change in view when the price comes here. See, this is what we discussed, right? The expanded B, and the price can come to this point 105 to 99, and 105 has been done, and even the price bounces, we said that the price will come one more time, okay, below 105, and it has been done. For more bounce, the price needs to minimum cross about 115, or the price can move like this, okay. Just we need to see, okay, the price needs to cross above this point, then only we can get a bounce. And Ethereum, this is the mark we discussed, right? The red points, when the price was trading here, we expected the price to reach here, okay. Why I said here? Because of this wave 5. See, in my course I have said one important thing: the correction levels are decided by the impulse waves, okay. Many are following only the corrective patterns, but in my course you understand that the corrective parts and the corrective levels are decided by the impulse waves. This wave 5, because of this wave 5, I marked these two red lines, okay, and the price has reached our expectation. Now again, same like Bitcoin, the price needs to cross this previous high, because in Ethereum we have another high is pending. There is a possibility that can be 1 2 3 4 5, okay. So the price needs to cross above this high and can be confirmed only above 4757. So this is the view on Bitcoin and Ethereum cryptos, and currently at support. Let us see how the price develops here. Maybe some time consuming consolidation and starting to move higher, or immediately starting to move higher. So this is the view for crypto market also. So this is the update for this weekend. And if you want to learn this Elliottwave, this is the right time to register my course. 100% practical way you can learn, because learning the Elliottwave is to take trades. Learning only theories will not help you. So if you're still facing issues in real time, Magic Fibs is the solution, and my course will give you the very practical solutions to your issues, right? So I give all details in the description. You can check it out, and if you wish to learn, this is the right time. Use the opportunity to register the course at very good discount. And one personal update, as I shared in the X post, for the coming next few weeks, I will not be posting the midweek market update. I tried to post the weekend market update, okay. And so thanks for your support. And yes, the levels and opinion shared in this video are only for learning purpose. Don't take it as any kind of buy or sell recommendations. I started this channel only to give learnings about the Elliott waves. So don't take it as any kind of buy or sell recommendations. Trade safe. We'll meet you in the next weekend market update. Take care. Happy weekend.